Today is the unboxing review of Kamen Rider CO DX Ride Heisei Saber, the weapon that CO actually used for his DK armor. So in the front of the box, we see CO with his DK armor, the Heisei Saber, and on the saber, we see the legendary riders from previous years. The left side, the Heisei Saber. The back, which is the first panel, where we turn the hands on the saber. Second panel, putting the DK Y watch on the saber, as well as the bill watch. And then the third panel is where you use the power of the Kamen Riders, which is Build, Exade, Ghost, Drive, Gaim, Wizard, Force, O, and Double. Then on the top, the Heisei Saber, CO and his DK armor. Then on the top, CO, DK armor. And on the right side, CO in his DK time armor with the Heisei Saber. The bottom, the Heisei Saber and the DK armor. And now it's time to unbox it. So here we go. And here it is, the Ride Heisei Saber. Now, designed to actually take the shape of a wristwatch, with this part is the handle. Here's the trigger. The guard is the watch with the hands. And now this part, the other band, is the blade with the pink blade right there. And this slot is for the Y watch. The back, the battery compartment, takes two AAA batteries and the on and off switch with the speaker. Let me go ahead and turn it on. And when it glows up, you can actually see the symbols of every former Kamen Riders, and when you press the trigger, it makes the attacking sounds. And here's the other part, where you turn this, it goes like this when you turn it to the rider's attack that you want to use. Right now is build. Press the trigger. And he also made a lot of choices with it as well. Like, for example, yep. And also, he also uses the DK Ride Watch, which I have it right here. We'll just put it in, and and also the finishing time. So here's the best part. You can turn this 3 times. Alright, press the trigger. And that's the finishing time attack for the weapon when you put in the DK Y Watch. And that is it. Now I'm really loving this weapon because it's the only weapon that he can only use when he's using the DK Y Watch. So I think that it actually becomes a power up weapon for him when he actually using that armor. So yeah, anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like like my Facebook page. And until then, this is Anime Guy Drain here, say sign out. Laters.